All of crypto getting absolutely hammered here today, and Bitcoin is back down where it was pre-pump before we got the news about Grayscale. But there is one shining light. There's one crypto out there right now just outside the top 10 that continues to turn heads and very quietly going under the radar here, coming up on a $6 billion market cap. It is ranked right now number 11. Crazy, because I feel like nobody knows what this is. Nobody's talking about it. They're one of the only cryptos up right now, up about 3%. No, it's not Polygon. It's not one of the big names. It's actually called Toncoin. And yeah, if you haven't heard of it, you're not alone. Toncoin is listed on some major exchanges like KuCoin and Bitfinex and Huobi, but the price has swelled by nearly 25% this week, and it may enter the top 10. All of a sudden, Toncoin is worthy of a discussion. Now, Toncoin is a decentralized Layer 1 blockchain developed in 2018 by the encrypted messaging platform Telegram. Of course, Telegram, a massive communication tool here in crypto. The project was then abandoned, taken over by the Ton Foundation, and renamed from Telegram Open Network to the Open Network. So again, this decentralized, encrypted messaging app called Telegram really spurred this Toncoin, again, a decentralized Layer 1 blockchain. Let's take a look at what it's done here in the past 7 days, guys. I mean, check out this chart here. Let's bring this down here, and you can see what's going on here. I mean, this is just insane what's happened. Last 7 days, from all the way from $1.40 to $1.74 right now. If we go back into the overall cryptocurrency market, there it is. Ranked number 11, one of the only cryptos in the green, up 21% still in the last 7 days. And here's that red market we were talking about, Bitcoin, pretty much giving up all of its gains here in this last week. Look at that. Coming all the way back down to pre-pump levels there on the news we got coming out of Grayscale. But with that being said, should we be looking at Toncoin a little closer here? Again, it's right in between Tron and Polkadot right now, ranked number 11. It's jumbled up with a lot of these cryptos right around a $5-6 billion market cap. You got Toncoin, you got Polkadot, you got the DAI stablecoin, Polygon, Litecoin, and Shiba Inu all right in there. And SHIB right now ranked number 16, down a little bit here, down about 2%. But yeah, Toncoin's certainly one to watch, guys. And I think I'm going to start taking a close eye here because there could be something brewing here. Here you go. In the last month, check this out, from $1.20 all the way to $1.75. Here's the last year. It is still down in the last year. Okay, we look back into April of this year, into February of this year, we were still sitting at $2.50. And you go out to the alt chart, you way back into 2021, we still got some room to run here, right? Still got some room to run, getting back up to those all-time highs, which is around $4.50. But there's a lot brewing here. All-time high is actually $5.84. November 12th, we got a spike up there, November 12th, 2021. We're down 70% from its all-time high. But it's certainly one to check into because I don't know about you, but I've been definitely putting this one off to the side. Now, learning a little bit more about what makes Toncoin unique, let's take a look at this. It has a multi-level structure built on the principle of sharding or segmentation. A sharding feature involves the use of multiple subnets or shards on the same blockchain where each shard has a specific purpose. It allows the net to avoid the accumulation of unverified blocks and helps with speed. The Ton network consists of the masterwork and shard chains. The developers focus on scalability, efficiency, and mass adoption. Due to the well-established interaction between segments, the network provides ultra-fast transactions, verifying and processing a massive amount of TPS, which, again, is really good in this day and age, especially as we look to scale these blockchains. So, interesting, right? Toncoin, certainly one to look at. It is available on some centralized exchanges, but I would go ahead and get it on Uniswap. It is on the Ethereum network. That's where I would get it if I were to get it. I have not got it yet. Now, most of their centralized exchange volume is actually coming through Huobi and Super X, which is interesting in the last 24 hours. KuCoin's up there. They're on OKX, XT as well, DigiFinex, a couple cryptos there. And then on the DEX side, Uniswap, of course, carrying a lot of the volume there, the majority of it right over there in the last 24 hours. So with that being said, we'll be keeping tabs on this. Very interesting, though. Toncoin has been pumping like crazy, and all of a sudden getting ready to maybe crack the top 10. Toncoin would have to pass Tron here. There is a pretty big gap here from number 11 to number 10, though. It's about $1 billion market cap, 900 million, give or take. So we'll see. But Toncoin certainly one to watch, and it is kind of flown under the radar here. And again, built back in 2018, building out of the decentralized application Telegram back in 2018. Very interesting. Decentralized layer 1 blockchain. Definitely worth a look. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.